Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a landing page in ClickFunnels. We'll dive straight into the easy method for crafting pages that capture leads and drive sales. You'll learn to navigate the platform with confidence, understanding how each element contributes to your overall marketing funnel. This approach simplifies the entire process, allowing you to build professional pages quickly and efficiently, even if you're just starting out. Next, we'll explore the vast library of templates available to you. ClickFunnels offers hundreds of professionally designed options, giving you a fantastic starting point. Once you've chosen a template, the intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes customization a breeze. You can effortlessly rearrange sections, change text, and update images. This flexibility ensures your landing page perfectly reflects your brand's unique style and message, all without needing any coding knowledge. Content Manager offers extensive customization options to optimize your experience. You can fine-tune graphics, sound, and control settings all in one place. For stunning visuals, explore the custom shader patch, which adds many graphical enhancements. Dial in your force feedback for a truly immersive feel with your steering wheel. You can also create and save unique car setups, tailoring your vehicle's performance for each specific track. Finally, it's time to get your landing page live and performing. We'll cover how to connect your custom domain, giving your page a professional and trustworthy address. It's essential to test your page across various devices, like mobile phones and tablets, to ensure it looks perfect everywhere. After launch, continuously monitor your page's performance using the built-in analytics. This data will help you make informed adjustments, leading to even better conversion rates over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.